This homemade digital antenna promises to pick up open channels on your TV. And just look at the image quality, folks. This is considered one of the best digital antennas you can make at home using only cheap materials. So, making this antenna is actually quite simple, everyone. To make this antenna, it's actually pretty cheap. You won't spend more than $30. And maybe you already have all the materials at home. So, first thing, I'll need a piece of coaxial cable about 12 inches long with connectors at both ends. I'll need two pieces of 6 inches each, okay? This one of 12 and these other two of 6 with connectors only at just one end, not the other. And two more pieces of about 5 inches, these two also with connectors at both ends. And also 3 two-way antenna splitters, okay? That's it. The first thing I'll do is take this longer cable of 12 inches and I'll need 2 splitters right now. I'll have them placed on the right side, see? One here and one here. However, let's invert this one so that'll be closer to the other one. So one goes here. Let's screw it. And the other goes here. See? Make sure to leave these two ends here free. So let's attach it here. It will look like this. You can give it a little bend here to make it like this. Now I'll take these two pieces of 6 inches. One goes on this free part of the splitter, insert it here, and the other one on the other splitter. So it will look like this. See? But here on these two ends, I'll remove about 2 fingers to expose the copper wire. By doing this, we're going to increase the antenna's reception power. So I'll use a utility knife for this. After removing the outer cover of the cable, just remove the other layers here, leaving only the exposed copper wire. It will look like this. Now on the other side, you can do the same thing. And now folks, the other two pieces go here. One goes here, and the other one on this splitter. And here folks, it's almost ready. To finish, I'll bend this side inwards, and this one the same way, like this. And this end here downwards, like this. And this one, just the same. Okay, and why is that? So we can now attach the third splitter. So one goes here, and the other one here. Okay, so now our antenna is ready, folks. To finish, you need another piece of coaxial cable, already with 2 connectors. Pretty simple. One end goes to the antenna, and the other end goes to the TV. So let's get to the TV so I can show you guys how useful this antenna is and how many channels it picks up. So guys, here's our antenna. There is the TV with no signal, and this is the power cable. Okay guys, there's no antenna, nothing. I'll connect the antenna here. I won't even screw it. I'll just touch it here. And check this out, it's already getting a signal. Look at that. And just check the image quality, folks. It's really, really nice, isn't it? I'll disconnect the antenna and the TV will stop working. Okay, so now let's screw it there and see how many channels we can find. So there it is, folks. I've screwed the antenna, and now as you can see, it's picking up channel 7 perfectly. You can also see the image quality pretty good. It picks up channel 5 too. I'll quickly switch the channels to avoid any trouble, okay? It picks up channel 9 as well. It basically picks up all the open channels, as you can see. Channel 11 also works just perfectly. It picks up channel 13 too. Okay, so I set it to search and it found 26 channels. I didn't even know there were so many open channels. So here's our super powerful little antenna. Go ahead and make it at home. Look, you need 10 connectors, okay? Each of these connectors, like the most simple ones, costs about 25 cents or so. Each of these splitters here costs about $5. We need 3 of them, $15. Less than 20 in total. And then maybe $5 or so to buy coaxial cable. And I'll say with that amount, you can definitely buy more than 5 meters of coaxial cable. So that was today's tip. Try this at home because I'm sure you're really gonna enjoy the results.